What's up? Welcome back to Hot Ones, where we got even spicy questions and even spicier wings. I don't know if that's the intro. I can't remember. I watch it a lot. Today I've got two of the three because I can't find the Classico. Hot Ones Pringles. I love Pringles. I love hot shit. I like it spicy. I like to cough. I like to get hiccups. I know this ain't gonna be that hot because this is the Los Calientes Rojo and Verde flavored chips. I'm gonna start with the Verde because it's gonna be a little more mild, and go with the Rojo when I'm done. Y'all having a good day today? Everybody good? It's gonna be good. We're gonna get some Verde flavored Pringles by Hot Ones, Los Calientes, which means like caliente is like hot. So the hots. I think it means the hots. Let's get a sniff. That smells like tomatillo. Tomatillo and lime. I'm getting a lot of tomatillo and lime. Whatever their flavor is, I don't know. But let's go for a crisp. Because this is how you do Pringles. You eat one at a time, right? No, shut up. It's like five. Five Pringles? Ooh, the color's nice. Nice green dusting. Not bad. No complaints from me here. Woo, focus. I don't have an autofocus. It's a 7-year-old DSLR. A lot of when my son was born. Does the job though for these videos. Let's get a crisp on. Dude, Ender, these are good. Did you know that? These are too hot for you, buddy. These are good. Holy crap. Okay, slow down. I got another flavor to eat. They got a little throat tingle. I've also got, it's Houston weather right now. There's some dust, like they call it Sahara dust season or something. Everything, my sinuses are all messed up. Freaking flavorful. Holy crap. If you guys see them, pick them up. The Verde is awesome. Let's see how the Rojo compares. The Rojo. I'm sorry, I'm gringo. I don't speak Spanish. No habla español. That was offensive. I apologize to everybody that speaks Spanish. I'm just a stupid tyke cis white boy. And I hate that. Because I get generalized as a piece of crap because I'm a white man from Texas and it really bothers me. Sometimes. Because everybody hates on Texas because we got horrible government, but it's not our fault, the people. The majority of us hate everything that's going on in the world. It's called the loud minority. Alright? Don't listen to the loud minority. They're a bunch of twats. So let's get some. Sorry, got too real there. But whatever. You gotta be an adult sometimes. This one just smells like red. Which, I mean, I assume there's paprika in there. Because paprika reminds me of red every time I smell it. I've actually got a tiny tingle on my tongue still from those green ones. So, I have to actually pause. I can come back to this in a minute. Because that's how we do things on this shitty YouTube channel. Smell good. Let's get a looky look at the dust on that. Look at the dusted. Look at that dust. They got good dust. Nice red dusted. A little bit of flecks of dark red in there. I am the world's best cameraman. Again, if you're not getting at least 5 Pringles and you're eating your Pringles, you're an idiot. And you don't like flavor. Bottoms up. good, dude. Is it warmer? Is it hotter? It's a different kind of heat. It could be because I'm eating them second, they might seem hotter. Oh man, they're good. Now, hey, there's a QR code. You guys like QR codes? No? Yeah, I think these are hotter because I'm getting a more substantial tingle on my tongue. Holy crap. Text message. Professional YouTubers. Mute their phones. This was good. I'm actually getting a mouth sweat going. It's kind of good. I need something cold on my tongue, please. It's actually hot some heat. I kind of like it. I don't know where Los Calientes is in on the lineup, but that's actually kind of hot. It's got a good heat to it. I've actually got a nice tingle on my tongue. It's kind of annoying because it's right on the tip of the tongue. It's like the worst place for a tingle, in my opinion. I like the back of the throat kind of heat. This is just kind of like that. Oh, guess what? You bit your tongue feeling, and I hate that because I bite my tongue on a regular basis. But these are freaking good. Dude, pick these up. And if you see the Classico, shout out. Let me know if it's any good. Because I didn't find that one. Hoping to find it eventually. Oh. Y'all might be wondering why I've got the 2021 Bakis One Chip Challenge. If I get somebody in this video that tell me to eat that, I'll make a video of me eating that. But until somebody tells me to eat this, I'm not eating it. I've been sitting on that since like Thanksgiving last year. Waiting. I actually forgot I had it. I think it's still good. Whether or not it's still good is a different question. It says February 8th, 2022. It's still good. It's a chip. It can't go bad. So we're gonna end this video with me with a runny nose, a freaking tingly tongue. It's annoying. But the flavors are so good. If you like a little bit of heat, you like really good flavor, those Hot Ones Pringles, get them. Eat them. Enjoy them. Rock on, dudes. Bye. I said stop.